Good morning. Doing the video a little earlier since we're opening in the middle of value and in the middle of the range, so I'm gonna take the opportunity to go have some breakfast because I had a late start today. Today is November 12th, and yesterday we had a little bit of a pullback like I had anticipated, but we couldn't take the low from yesterday. We did get that value area rotation from value area high to value area low yesterday. Today we're opening in the middle of inside value of both of these sessions, right, very close to the 5-day point of control, and which, you know, we're still one time framing up on the daily after coming down all the way here from here. So we have 1, 2, huge gap, 3, 4, 5, 6 sessions one time framing up. And you know, like I said, I wanted to see this level before we get a pullback. We did reach that range extension target yesterday during the overnight session. We didn't retest it yet during the RTH session, and we still have a pending target at 60.58. So I'm thinking that there's gonna be one more push up, and then we're gonna start balancing, and then pull back probably a little bit and start establishing this new range. See if we accept prices in this new range, or if we keep moving higher and find balance higher. So remember, the market is always either trending or consolidating, right? Like one time framing up to balance, down, one time framing down, balance, etc. Right? So right now we're one time framing up, waiting until we break the previous day session and start to balance. Once we do that, then we can see where the market is accepting prices. So for today, I'll be looking at that. I'll be looking at maybe we take some of these highs and then come back, and then if we break these lows from yesterday, then the one time framing up will officially end, and we'll start. It will be the first time we're in balance for a while in the last 6 days, and then I'll be looking to see if we start trading inside Friday's value. I'll be looking for the value area rule and move to the lower side of value from Friday. And then we have a gap here that fills at 59.67. Then we have the huge gap here that I don't expect this gap to fill anytime soon, because you know, to get here we need to go through all this, and it's not gonna be that easy. I think, you know, there's gonna be buyers all the way if we come down in this area. So one thing at a time. Today, looking at how we treat this value area. So trade value above value area high from yesterday, I'll target the high, and then this references the overnight high from yesterday, and target that 60.58 level. And Q did take the low from the previous day, so NQ is now in balance, and it was an outside day which ended right at the middle of the range. So we're very much in balance with the 20-day point of control shifted up here at 220. So looking to fade the edges in this case back to the 220. The range extension target that I had for NQ is still up here 520, which I got from taking this high to this low, which I said I wasn't very sure about it because this was looking more like a double distribution, so it's a little more I'm not that sure about that target, but anyway, we'll see what happens. Breaking these highs could potentially get us there. And crude is on a double distribution. It's accepting prices now at this area where we had pulled back into at the end of October. And this area, the 69.60 to 69.80, is now resistance. And we're building some volume here at 68.10 and at 68.60. So those two levels are building some volume. So those are gonna be magnets for the time being. And if we get above 69.80, then look for the 5-day point of control, which is at 70.40. And gold keeps pulling back all the way from the 2800s all the way down to the 2600s. Remember I said if we keep going down, we're gonna revisit the 2600. So we're approaching this area where we broke above from, like in this previous range. We were trading here and then broke above here. So we're retesting it. We tested it once and we bounced. Let's see what happens on a second test, if we get another bounce or if we pull back into this 90-day point of control, which is at 25.44. And I haven't spoken about this in a while, but Bitcoin is it's been on fire, and I said yesterday that if I was looking to sell some Bitcoin, I would be looking at 91,000, and I was looking at the futures chart, which, hold on one second, I'm trying to get this chart right here. I was looking at the futures chart and I had taken this this range and then expanded it, and I got 91,000 as a target, and literally we got to, I mean, my target was 98.60. We got to I think we're almost perfect, a little bit right below it, and then we pulled back all the way to 86,000. So now watch this area as acceptance and this low volume area support. So 78,000 to 81,000, that's gonna be the support for Bitcoin. For now, if we get below that, then we're probably going back into this ranges. Okay, that's about it for today. Good luck.